Hello everyone. Today we are going for the next steps. So yesterday we completed until the fifth questions. We will be having the quick revisions on the first five questions. So what is Node.js? Node.js is open source cross platforms and it is a runtime environment. And next question is what is runtime environment means? Runtime environment means uh, the JavaScript will provide the all the necessary components to run the JavaScript outside the browser. This is called as a runtime environment. What are the now the third question is what are the components which support Node to run outside the process? So I told in the previous questions, it provides the necessary components. So the necessary components are the V8 engine, inbuilt libraries, modules, and event loop, input output streams, which is non-blocking. Okay, so I already explains what are these and what we will go for the fourth question. So what is library means in Node.js? Library means we can say that we don't need to write the code again and again. So JavaScript has an inbuilt library, so we can use that code regularly, means a regular basis. For the regular users, we will use these libraries. For example, the file system handling, networking, and operating system, access of operating systems. So we don't need to build from the scratch. So it's already been there. The next question is fifth question is what is the outside the browser and inside the browser in Node.js? Outside the browser means the JavaScript which run outside the browsers which have all the access like file systems, networking, and operating systems. But inside the browser we don't have that. We have just the web API. So I will be covering the web APIs in further videos. So we will start from the sixth question. So what is ECMA International? So ECMA International is industry association which is dedicated to standardize the information and communication systems. So here comes the industries associations. Dedicated means what does this means? The industry isn't like it's dedicated to the information and communication system. The associations means it will work with several other companies and with the group. So it's called as an associations, which is dedicated for the what we said as for the informations and communication system. So next, the seventh question is how JavaScript is different from the ECMAScript. So we can say this ECMAScript is a blueprint and the JavaScript is the actual program which runs and execute the code. So that means there is a very common difference we can say. What is JavaScript engine? Actually, JavaScript engine is a program um, which will convert the developer written code into the or human written code into the computer understandable language. So that is basically written in C, C++. On top of that, the features of the JavaScript is built by C and C++, we can say. What is JavaScript engine is a programming. So I have explained previously with the eighth question, what is JavaScript engines. So now in that sentence, I told that JavaScript engine is a program. So I will be explaining what is JavaScript engine is. I already told you it is written in C, C++. That's why it is a program. So 10th question is why JavaScript engine is written in C and C++. The most thing we can write in they can write that in Java or Pythons, but why? Why they have written in C, C++? So the major thing, the first point is it is very fast because it's communicate with the operating system, which is OS of any operating system. And the second thing is the memory utilizations. We can define the memories so that the leakage of the memory is very less, and so that the performance of the system will be very high. So, and one more thing is it is portable, means because it is written in the C++, we can integrate that into the any systems. And one is integrations. Integrations means we can integrate to the any system means like as I said, we can access the file system of the main OS operating system and also networks, and we can also directly control the operating system also. There is the reasons why this JavaScript engine is written in C and C++. And as I told you, what is JavaScript engine is nothing but the V8 engine. Okay, this is for today. So we will continue further questions in next video. Thank you.